Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show, YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, December the 14th, 2009. Not much of action, not really much action today. Certainly the dollar selling off a little bit, but given the Abu Dhabi news and given the way the futures were up, you would have thought the dollar would have gotten crushed today, but it didn't. And, we do have this Greek downgrade looming in the process. We do have this event coming out at 5 p.m. Eastern. If this event is not good, I think this euro gets whacked. I'm still on the dollar. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm lightening up a little bit after this event. As we see here, we have an inside day here on the dollar index. Again, the numbers wasn't anything to really write home about. Any numbers weren't that great, weren't that bad. But, again, big numbers coming out tomorrow. I think this German zoo is going to be terrible out of Germany. I think the U.S. numbers are probably going to be better. Industrial production, Empire State Manufacturing coming out. Obviously, PPI is important as well. But it's all about the numbers. If the U.S. numbers are good, the dollar's probably going to rally. So look at this dollar index. I see a turnaround Tuesday coming, but more down and up. So take a look at your hourly charts. Go with those. I think the dollar's probably going to sell off a little bit, maybe in Asia and a little bit Europe, but then we start to rally. Maybe we even get a reversal where we come in, look for the hammer around 76, look to get low. Oh, baby, I am still a dollar bull. I don't know how it's going to play out, but I am still a dollar bull. At the end of the day, in my opinion, the dollar is going to be strong. The only possibility is that the dollar absolutely explodes. We get to 777 on that dollar index, and then we reverse. That's possible. But net, I want to be, even though I think the dollar could sell off a little bit, I want to be a dollar buyer. Absolutely. Gold, while it did have a nice little update today, not much, only up $6. Given that the collapse in gold, you would have thought the first update we had in a while would have been a nice update, but it wasn't. Look for 1100 in gold. Oil. Crude, we had that. Look at this. Channel line held. Ooh, 68. So we didn't get down to that. I think now, long oil, short gold, looking good. Like it. I like it. Oil's come down big time. All right. Euro dollar. Daily chart. Big numbers coming out, people. Big numbers. Inflation data out of London, if those numbers aren't good, I don't know. Not good. Euro dollar. I mean, is it going to make a move all the way to 47.50? It could. I think more likely is a move to 47 maybe. I see a little bit of a downtrend channel line here. Maybe the euro pops up to about 47, 25. But the bottom line is this. Market psychology to me, if I'm short the dollar, this is all I get. Abu Dhabi comes to rescue with $10 billion, and this is all I get. So I think the dollar bears have to be a little disappointed in today's action. And, any rallies, I think you got to sell, Mortimer. Sell. Dollar yen. Not thrilled with the reaction. And again, hopefully you listen to globalfxradio.com because, again, when I don't do a video, I almost always do an audio. Sorry about Sunday's show. I screwed it up. But look at this dollar yen. As long as we can hold this 88.10 level, I still like it. I still think we make a move, maybe 89.50 on a reversal, turnaround Tuesday in dollar yen. Carry trades are a little bit more tough. The yen carries. It's always yen. Now, sterling. Listen, certainly it's a nice up day. You have to give sterling credit. Euro sterling, I like to the downside. Now it's closing under 90, especially with this Greek news coming. But look at this. Lower highs and lower lows. So we might break out in cable. I'm not saying cable can't break out. Even 164.50 maybe. I'd be throwing up, but certainly a nice little pop where they spike it up, break it out to break it down. I think at the end of the day, cable is going to be lower. Dollar Swiss also. You take a look at this dollar Swiss. This looks like it might want to come in a little bit. Maybe get to 32.60. Something like that. And then reverse. Maybe even break 32.50. We come down to these levels here. Suck a lot of people into getting short. But again, this dollar index is broken out. I mean, let's take a look. Dollar index again. Look, this is broken out. Look at this move. A pullback to 76. Perfect. Even a pullback to 75.50. When you take a look, I'm still going to be a bull. We close below 75.50. I'm going to have to change my tune, and we take pain. But again, pull back to the breakout. I see nothing wrong with that, right? Very healthy pullback, and boom, to the moon, Alice. So, again, when you look at this kind of a move that we've had, and yes, we definitely have come a long way, baby. We've moved a nice amount in the dollar index. I'm not going to say we haven't, but how much, really? Cable hasn't even pulled in anything. So, Aussie dollar. Another one, closing very strong. I'm nervous. I'm short it. I don't like it. I think it probably goes higher. I'm going to lighten up, maybe even flatten out. Certainly, this Aussie dollar takes out 91.80, 91.90. It's gone, and it's going to 92.70. It's only another 80 pips from here. I know I say only, but turnaround Tuesday, baby. I think we're going higher, and then we're going lower. Oh, my goodness. We'll see about the Greek story. Jimmy the Greek. Dollar Canada, shooting star. So upset at myself. Oh, we're looking so good. I really thought I was going to hit this channel line here. I was going like 107. But didn't take the trade. But again, dollar index back in the fold. I mean, dollar Canada back in the fold. I still love this trade. This is a monster wedge forming right here in this dollar Canada. I still love it. Dollar index broke out. Why the hell isn't this baby going to break out? Oh, yeah, it's going to. It's going to have one of these monster days. Maybe it's tomorrow. Numbers coming out. Productivity. Leading index. Not enough, I don't think, to really do it, but you never know. Especially if gold and oil resume their downward trend. You know, their short-term downward trend. Oh, boy. Look out below in the commodity currencies because they have held up extremely well. Like this New Zealand dollar. I got to tell you, I'm short it. I'm getting out. This thing looks so freaking good. Look at this close. This thing gets over 73. It's going to the moon, Alice. But again, at the end of the day, we're going to reverse. I'm a dollar bull. I think gold will probably be up and then down. You know, something like that. Euro sterling, I like it to the downside a lot. Rolling over, terrible close. Look at this close in the euro sterling. Terrible. Love it. I think this baby comes in 89. That means one of two things, though. Remember, if euro sterling is going to go down, that means cable is going to probably either explode or the euro is going to collapse. Pick your poison. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Bond yields pretty much holding over 350. Good. Good for the dollar bulls. Euro yen, I got to tell you, I didn't make one recommendation in the yens last night. First time I can, except dollar yen, which we lost money in. But again, I don't know. Propeller pattern. If it takes out 131, it's going up. How's that? If it takes out 131, it's going up. Break that. Takes out 129, it's going down. Sorry. I am a little confused. Dollar yen's going to get some momentum, but this is the calm before the storm in dollar yen. And dollar yen is a big mover, you know, this thing. Dollar, you know, sterling yen looks like a hanging man to me. Took out previous day low. That's not good. I could see, again, a rally and then a sell-off. But, again, if I like dollar yen, how am I going to short sterling yen? Cable will have to go down 250 pips. So, if anything, I'm going to look to sell this on strength. You know, again, but these charts, they're not telling me much. Aussie yen looks great. That's a nice little doji. I mean, what the hell is that? I mean, it's probably going up. I'm going to stay away from it. I will look to be short it, though. Aussie yen into my channel line. Abso-freaking-lutely. So this baby wants to pop another 120 pips. I'm all in. It's got to come to us. I'm scared. And, again, my Euro-Canada trade. Nice reversal there. Again, with this Greek news looming, not good. But again, to get back to some other, sterling. Listen, this could be due for a nice pop, or it's going to be back in the fold. My bias, I'm going to be looking at sell on strength. I might miss the upside in the dollar sell-off, but at the end of the day, 76 dollar index, baby, all in. And cable, there's going to be one hell of a night in cable. Probably going to be up big. And then to the downside. Aussie also. Minutes coming out of Australia. If those are hawkish, Aussie's going to explode. Aussie yen. They're going to go. And maybe this is just, a little reprieve. And we should be jumping on the opportunity where the dollar bulls are going to take dollar bears are going to take over. Maybe. But again, turnaround Tuesday in the house. Info at globalfxradio.com. Remember my premium service, baby. Try me out for 1 week. 1 week, free. No problem. Andrew Spanton. Global FX Radio. Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays. Best to everyone, especially the Bruin family who Walter Bruin died. My apologies. And the only voice, baby.